Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3T1043, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this tablet. First of all, you need to open Calendar app. Now tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you can create your event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event from the list. Now adjust it however you wish to. For example, over here you can add a title. Then click on your email address and tap on the best option for you, in my case events. Then pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. You can also choose Custom and adjust it. When you're ready, choose Done at the top right corner. If you change your mind, just click on the same option and select Does Not Repeat. Over here, you can add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Then select Allow Only while using the app or Deny. Type in an address and click on the correct one. Finally, you can set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, or customize this option however you want to. I will go with 2 days before. Then click on Done at the bottom right corner. Now change color of it, take some notes, add attachments, and finally save it by tapping on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, you need to tap on it. Click on this pen icon at the top right corner and change whatever you wish to. If you want to discard your changes, click on this X at the top left corner, select Discard, or in order to save them, just tap on Save at the top right corner. In order to get rid of it though, click on it one more time, but this time select those 3 dots at the top right corner, click on Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!